In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude AI to n8n. This is a fantastic integration to streamline your workflows and enhance automation capabilities. We'll go through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll feel confident in connecting these two powerful tools. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening n8n. If you're unfamiliar with n8n, it's an impressive workflow automation tool that lets you connect applications and automate tasks beautifully. Once n8n is open, take a moment to explore its interface. If you haven't already, familiarizing yourself with where things are will make the process much smoother. Now let's move on to the next part. Heading over to the Credentials section, look around the interface and you'll find an option labeled Credentials. This is the section where you can manage all your connections to various APIs and services, allowing n8n to communicate seamlessly with other applications. Once you're in the Credentials section, you'll want to create a new credential. You can do this easily by clicking on the Create Credential button. As you click this, you'll see a list of different options, reflecting various services you can connect with n8n. The list might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's well organized. For our purpose, you'll need to select Anthropic API, or in some interfaces, you may find it labeled simply as Anthropic. This selection is key since it directly corresponds to the API associated with Claude AI, the tool we're aiming to connect. Selecting this ensures that all required fields and configurations specific to Claude AI will be available to you in the next steps. With the appropriate API selected, you'll need to paste your API key into the provided field. Make sure you have this API key handy before you begin the process. This API key is crucial as it allows n8n to securely communicate with Claude AI and perform desired tasks on your behalf. Double check to ensure the API key is correct to avoid any connectivity issues. After pasting your API key, it's time to save this newly created credential. Before saving, take a quick moment to glance over the details to ensure everything looks accurate and in order. When you're ready, go ahead and hit that Save button. This action will store your credential securely within n8n, ready for use whenever you need it. Lastly, to be certain everything is working perfectly, you'll want to test the connection. This final step is important to verify that the integration between Claude AI and n8n is operating smoothly. If the connection is successful, you're all set to automate and integrate as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Claude AI to n8n. I hope this guide was helpful, and you now feel equipped to harness the power of these two platforms to supercharge your workflows. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.